Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a rear view camera in a Chrysler 200, 300, or even a Jeep Ram 1500. So basically what we did, you will have to remove these 4 screws over here, drill a hole with the drill, install the rear view camera. You have to also open this entire back cover up. As you can see, we brought the camera harness right over here. So here is all the camera harness. This one is for power. This one is for ground. This one is for the camera feed. So in order to supply power to the rear view camera, you can't really plug this one with the with your rear lights, because if you do that, the camera doesn't get sufficient power and then it won't really work that well. So instead, we will be supplying the camera with the ignition switch. So we then brought the harness right along here. If you want, you could also tear this open and then bring it in, but we didn't have that much time, so we just brought it in right over here. But this all will be covered with the cover over here. So we then got the wiring harness through this cover into the cabin, and then in the cabin we got it under the panel, so you really can't see the harness. Let me show you the inside. So in the back, we brought it from the back cover under the seat panel, under all these panels right in the front. And then when we got in the front, so then we got the harness all through this cover, and then in the dash. So through the dash, we got the harness right over here for the camera. So in order to connect the camera to your display, here is the camera harness, the same one which we bought it from the trunk. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the tip of this harness right over here, and then from that harness there will be 3 separate wires inside. One is for power. The other 2 will go straight to your display. So these 2 are coming from that black harness. So you can see this is and then these are going right over there. These 2 are going right over there. And then in order to supply power, we're using this green um, ignition switch, which also comes right over here. From that, we will supply power. So as we put the vehicle in reverse, it will automatically show the rear view camera. And then once you put it into D or park, it will go away just like factory does. So if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment below. And then if you do need this big radio, this bezel, or the camera harness, we do sell those. And then please and subscribe. Thank you.